keep in mind, we're not dealing with entities that believe in God and believe in an afterlife. So if you ask any of them, they say it outright, that there's nothing that happens after death. It's the end of everything. But they don't want to die. So according to Yuval Harari and Ray Kurzweil and all these degenerates, what they're trying to do is create a inorganic, organic hybrid platform with AI where human consciousness literally could be downloaded into a eternal body or series of bodies. I know it sounds sci-fi, but this is exactly what these degenerates are doing. And by doing so, they also realize that 90% of humanity is becoming useless from the workforce perspective. If you listen to what Elon Musk said 6 months ago when he debuted his humanoid robots, what he said was that they will eliminate 90% of the workforce, therefore we need universal income. Let me translate what that means to you. It means 90% of people are useless, and these people who don't believe, who view us as cockroaches, don't believe that we have any sanctity in our lives. You think they want to give us universal income? That's a list to exterminate people.